this one. And we want to make this a rusty, kind of old, scratched up mirror. So we're going to go new. I'm going to type in rusty, old, scratched mirror. Yeah, so let's bring this across. I'm just trying to think the best texture for this one. So we want to go with metallic, but we also want that nice little rust thing going on. So I believe that the texture that we just had was the Gabor texture. So if we do value to base color, and what we will do is we'll add the color ramp. So we've got this going on, and we can go plus, and then this central colour that we've got right here, we can change this to kind of a brown kind of colour. Metallic up, roughness down. Just bring that white up a little bit. So we do have this nice little reflection, but we've got this kind of, I don't know, something maybe leaked over the top of it. There's little imperfections even. Just kind of shade that out a little bit. Maybe you're traversing through an old ship and there's mirrors, and you want to get that kind of water, that stagnant water that kind of drips down. This will be a great effect for that one. And maybe you want to make the mirror a little bit rougher, a little bit more dirtier. So to make it look dirty, we could go ahead and we could go noise. Let's go noise texture right here. Just place it at the bottom. Change up your colour to your roughness. Or we could have it like this. Maybe over the years it's just become very horrendously, how could you put it, dirty, maybe. Trying to think of the words. Yeah. Bring that down there. Make it a little bit smaller. Let's go roughness. You can change up the roughness if you wanted to. So yeah, maybe it's a very dirty mirror. If we take the roughness and we can put it in the IOR or the alpha, you could do it like that. Alternatively, if you wanted to, we could disconnect that one and we can do a mix. We can place the mix right here. We go ahead and put this one right here. Go ahead and put this one right here. Just turn off that. Just basically mess around with the different settings, see what you can do, see what happens. Let's see A, and we can put that one as B. Okay, maybe not. The results. Let's put the space color. Yeah. Okay, so that kind of works. So I got them the wrong way round. A should be B, B should be A. Not very organised on that side. Okay, so now we've got this nice little texture going on, and the best thing about it as well, we've also got this kind of oil slick to it. Now if you wanted to get rid of this oil slick, just come down to this section right here. We could, in theory, put another colour ramp. So we could go add, and we could go colour ramp. Colour to vector, and it'll change it to this. Now if we go a little bit more with the black, oops, oh, we have a crash. Oh, I think I hit the wrong button here. Okay, so we couldn't get to the other two cubes. I will try, we'll see what happens, but yeah, we have a crash. See what I mean? Like, I think my computer's just getting way too overheated. It's, you know, we've got it. We still got a heat wave going on outside, but apparently we've crashed. So that might be the end of this tutorial. But please continue experimenting with your own cubes. Yeah, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright.